Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to show you guys the beef that I just got some hours ago. So this beef right now is actually 10 euro. Okay, I just cut it into two because I'm about to prepare stew. Today is Saturday. The reason why I'm making this video is that you guys know in Nigeria, most especially Nigeria, they can complain, oh, things are so expensive, oh, things are so expensive. Oh. Imagine right now when you give somebody 50,000 naira, for them to even say, thank you, God bless you, they will still be complaining on top of that money you give them. They will say, 50,000 naira, carry enter market now, you no go see what you buy. Even here in the Obodo, the same thing. Look at the beef now that I just got for 10 euro. 10 euro now convert it to naira. It's about 14,000 naira. Yeah, 14,000. Look at the receipt here. Look at it. Because whenever you buy something here in Europe, they normally give you receipt. Look at the date, 27th of April 2024. Then look at the exact money here. Pagamento contante, which is 10 euro. Then look at the IVA. The IVA, which is the tax, 91 cents. Yeah. That is how they do their things here. Just look at it. This one is cow meat. 10 euro. In naira now is 14,000 naira.
Chance I got it, no award for suffer. A job for a guy.